Hello friends, welcome to Vidya's cooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare garlic toum, or this is also called as garlic chutney in shawarma shops. So this is very simple to prepare. I've laid out all the ingredients required for this recipe. All the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. Here I've peeled and cleaned garlic. We need lime juice. I'll be using sunflower oil for this recipe, friends. Please don't use oil which has strong flavor in it, like sesame oil or mustard oil. You cannot use in this recipe. You have to use sunflower oil, or canola oil is also better. Now in a mixer jar, I'll be adding my cleaned garlic. We need to grind this into a smooth paste first. Don't add water, just pulse it and grind it into a smooth paste. You can keep it in one speed and keep grinding it, it will grind into a smooth paste. So here you can see my thick garlic paste is ready. Now I'll be adding salt and sugar. I'll gradually add that oil. Slowly I'll add, little by little I'll add, and I'll grind it into a smooth paste. Keep grinding, and you can scrape the sides and keep grinding your garlic. It will form into a smooth paste. Now you can see that mayo consistency has formed. Now add your last batch of oil and also add lime juice and grind it further. This is a very simple recipe, friends. You don't have to purchase all this from the shop. You can prepare it at home itself and use it in your salads and shawarma. It's very simple to prepare at home. Now here you can see I've ground the garlic. I'll add my lime juice and the last bit of oil that is reserved, and I'll grind it. All the ingredients used in this recipe, friends, will be listed in the description box below this video, or you can click the iCard above this video which will direct you to my blog. Also like me and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. All my other social media handle links will also be in the description box below this video. Now you can see my garlic toum is ready. I have reserved it in a small box and I'll store it in the fridge until use. You can store this up to 2 weeks. Now my garlic toum is ready. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, friends, do like, comment, share and don't forget to subscribe. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.